Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore an incredibly important and beneficial topic for your health: the top 5 foods kill cancer and beat disease. Cancer is one of the most dangerous diseases humanity faces, severely impacting the lives of millions of people worldwide. It thrives in acidic environments, where there's little oxygen, and it loves sugar. This becomes even more critical as we age, especially for those over 50. Research shows that an alkaline diet can improve health outcomes, especially in older adults. At this stage, maintaining an alkaline state in the body is key to preventing and fighting cancer. This approach strengthens the body's defenses and reduces the risk of diseases like cancer. Before we explore 5 foods that help protect against cancer, it's important to understand the role of pH balance, particularly for those over 50. Keeping the body slightly alkaline, with a pH between 7.35 and 7.45, is crucial. It supports the immune system and helps prevent diseases like cancer. As we age, this balance becomes even more important. It aids enzyme activity, protects cell integrity, controls microbes, regulates inflammation, improves nutrient absorption, and supports detoxification. Eating more alkaline-forming foods, such as leafy greens, fruits, and nuts, is vital. Limiting acid-forming foods like red meat and processed products also helps. It reduces the risk of chronic diseases, including cancer. By focusing on pH balance, you're not just hindering cancer growth, you're also boosting your body's ability to heal and stay healthy. Now, let's explore top 5 foods that can protect you from cancer by supporting your body's pH balance. First on our list is turmeric. You might be surprised to see turmeric, a humble spice, at the top of our list of cancer-fighting foods. You might think, isn't turmeric just a spice? It is, but it's so much more. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, is where the real power lies. Curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory agent that has been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. You might wonder how this works. Curcumin targets various molecules involved in cancer growth and progression. It helps block the formation of new blood vessels and tumors, making it harder for cancer to spread. It also reduces inflammation, a key factor in the development and progression of many cancers. Curcumin is particularly effective in helping prevent and combat certain types of cancer, such as breast, colon, prostate, and pancreatic cancers. Studies have shown that in populations where turmeric is commonly consumed, the rates of these cancers are significantly lower. Turmeric is rich in other beneficial compounds too, like iron, magnesium, and manganese, which also support overall health. These minerals contribute to the body's defense against disease by maintaining a balanced pH, promoting healthy cells, and supporting the immune system. Turmeric is not just a spice, it's a powerful ally in the fight against cancer. It's something every household should have. Instead of relying on artificial supplements or processed foods, incorporating turmeric into your diet is a natural and effective way to boost your health. We don't just use turmeric in cooking, we see it as a key ingredient in maintaining health. Turmeric far surpasses many other remedies with its range of benefits. Don't you love turmeric? If you find this information really useful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive the best health information. Dark green leafy vegetables are also excellent for promoting an alkaline environment in the body. These vegetables should be a staple in our daily diet. Think of options like spinach, Swiss chard, watercress, and mustard greens. These greens are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that support overall health and help maintain the body's pH balance. Vegetables, in general, have an alkaline effect, but there are some that can vary in their impact. For instance, beets, zucchini, and asparagus typically have an alkalizing effect on the body. However, certain vegetables like onions, garlic, and carrots can have either an alkaline or acidic effect depending on individual body chemistry. It's important to note that everyone's body reacts differently to foods. Some people might find that these vegetables have a more acidic effect, particularly if they have an underlying inflammatory condition. This is where personal fine-tuning comes into play. Listening to your body is key, and no one can determine your optimal diet better than you. For those with inflammatory conditions, it's crucial to be mindful of how certain vegetables impact your body. For example, root vegetables like radishes and turnips may trigger inflammation in some individuals. However, for those who don't experience any negative reactions, these can be incredibly nutritious choices. When it comes to preparation, certain cooking methods can enhance the nutritional benefits of vegetables. For example, when mushrooms are sautéed with a little oil, they release more of their beneficial compounds, such as beta-glucans. Beta-glucans are known for their immune-boosting properties and their ability to modulate inflammation, which is especially beneficial for people dealing with chronic inflammatory conditions. Another great example is broccoli, which contains sulforaphane, a powerful compound that has been shown to fight cancer. Lightly steaming broccoli can help retain this compound while making the vegetable easier to digest. So, while it's essential to include a variety of vegetables in your diet, paying attention to how your body reacts can help you optimize your health. For many, incorporating these vegetables into meals a few times a week can provide significant health benefits, particularly for those looking to reduce inflammation and support overall well-being. Next, let's talk about certain types of legumes that are particularly beneficial. Black beans, adzuki beans, and mung beans are three legumes that are alkaline-forming and rich in nutrients that help fight cancer. You might wonder why some legumes have an alkalizing effect while others do not. Certain legumes are alkaline-forming due to their high content of essential minerals like magnesium, calcium, and potassium, which help neutralize acids in the body and support overall health. In contrast, legumes with higher levels of acidic minerals such as phosphorus and sulfur or higher protein content may be more acid-forming. Black beans, for example, are rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins, which have been shown to reduce the risk of certain cancers, including colon cancer. Adzuki beans are another powerful legume, known for their high fiber content and ability to lower cholesterol, which is crucial for preventing heart disease and potentially lowering cancer risk. Mung beans are especially beneficial for those over 50 due to their high levels of flavonoids and phenolic acids, which have anti-cancer properties and help in detoxifying the body. For your grains, millet is a great alkaline option. Millet is a delicious grain that's not only alkaline but also gluten-free, making it a popular choice for many. Quinoa is another excellent grain that we often enjoy at breakfast. It's packed with protein and essential amino acids, which are vital for maintaining muscle mass as we age. Amaranth is a lesser-known grain, but it's rich in antioxidants and has been traditionally consumed by the Aztecs for its health benefits. Amaranth, though small, is mighty. When cooked, it can be a bit sticky, but it pairs well with other grains. For instance, mixing a little amaranth with millet or quinoa makes a nourishing porridge, which is great for starting the day. Spelt and kamut are ancient grains that are also good for you, offering a more nutritious alternative to modern wheat. When it comes to nuts and seeds, almonds and Brazil nuts are excellent choices with high alkalinity, especially beneficial for those over 50. Almonds are rich in magnesium, a crucial mineral that helps maintain pH balance in the body. Magnesium not only supports metabolic processes but also has anti-inflammatory effects, which are key in preventing cancer. Adding almonds to your daily diet can help create an environment that is unfavorable for cancer cells to thrive. Brazil nuts are equally important, known for their high selenium content. Selenium is a powerful antioxidant that has been shown to protect the body from various types of cancer, including prostate, breast, and lung cancers. Selenium helps shield cells from damage caused by oxidative stress and boosts the immune system, which is especially important for older adults whose immune systems may be weakened. Additionally, seeds like chia seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, and hemp seeds offer significant health benefits. They are rich in alkaline minerals such as magnesium and calcium, which help neutralize acids in the body and maintain pH balance. Chia seeds and flax seeds are particularly noted for their high omega-3 content, a healthy fat that has anti-inflammatory properties and can inhibit cancer cell growth. Regularly incorporating these seeds into your diet can help protect the body from cancer while also enhancing heart health. Pumpkin seeds are an excellent source of zinc, an essential mineral for immune function that has been linked to a reduced risk of prostate cancer. Hemp seeds contain gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, a type of omega-6 fatty acid that can reduce inflammation and may slow the progression of cancer. Incorporating these nuts and seeds into your daily diet not only helps maintain pH balance and reduce inflammation but also provides essential nutrients that protect the body from cancer. Especially for those over 50, these nuts and seeds act as natural weapons to enhance health, prevent disease, and support long-term well-being. When it comes to preventing and destroying cancer cells, certain fruits stand out not only because of their high alkalinity but also due to the unique nutrients they offer, which effectively protect the body. Among these, 3 fruits are considered the most powerful in the fight against cancer: avocado, raspberries, and lemon. Avocado tops the list due to its rich content of healthy fats, particularly oleic acid, a monounsaturated fatty acid with strong anti-inflammatory properties. Studies have shown that oleic acid not only reduces inflammation but also has the potential to slow down or even inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Additionally, avocados are an excellent source of potassium and magnesium, 2 essential minerals that help maintain the body's pH balance. When the body maintains an alkaline environment, cancer cells find it difficult to thrive, making avocados an indispensable ally in protecting health, especially for those over 50. Raspberries are another excellent choice in cancer prevention. Despite their sweet taste, raspberries are low in sugar, which is crucial since cancer cells often grow vigorously on sugar. However, what makes raspberries truly valuable is their high fiber content and potent antioxidants like vitamin C and quercetin. Vitamin C boosts the immune system, while quercetin can inhibit cancer cell growth by blocking biochemical pathways involved in their proliferation. Raspberries not only help prevent cancer but also support overall health and protect against various other diseases. Lemon is also a powerful weapon in the fight against cancer, despite its sour taste and citric acid content. Once digested, lemon creates an alkaline environment in the body, helping to neutralize acid and create a setting where cancer cells struggle to grow. Moreover, lemon contains very little sugar and is rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that strengthens the immune system, protects the body from free radicals, and prevents the formation of cancer cells. Additionally, lemon aids in detoxifying the body, helping to eliminate harmful substances that could lead to cancer. Incorporating these 3 fruits into your daily diet offers numerous health benefits, particularly for those over 50. This is a time when the body needs more support to fend off cancer cells and maintain a strong immune system. The combination of avocado, raspberries, and lemon forms a power trio that not only helps neutralize acid and create an alkaline environment in the body but also provides the essential nutrients needed to effectively protect against cancer. These fruits are not just excellent nutritional additions but also serve as natural preventive measures, helping you maintain long-term health and reduce the risk of developing cancer. As we come to the end of today's video, it's clear that the choices we make in our daily diet can have a profound impact on our health, particularly when it comes to preventing and combating serious diseases like cancer. For those of us over 50, it's even more important to be mindful of what we eat, as our bodies need all the support they can get to maintain strength, resilience, and overall well-being. The foods we've discussed today are powerful tools in our arsenal against cancer, helping to create an internal environment where disease struggles to thrive. By prioritizing an alkaline diet and focusing on nutrient-rich, anti-inflammatory foods, we're not just making short-term changes, we're investing in our long-term health. This approach helps to reinforce our body's natural defenses, giving us the best possible chance to stay healthy and vibrant as we age. But remember, achieving sustainable health is not about quick fixes. It's about making informed, consistent choices every day. If you found the information in this video valuable, we encourage you to share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to like the video and make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.